Hello friends, welcome to E-Class. Myself Smita, teacher students. Open your EVS 1 textbook, page number 75, lesson number 15, communication and mass media. What is meant by mass media and what is the use of artificial satellite we have seen in before video. Now we will see the advantages of telecommunication and mass media. Telecommunication means by using satellite we communicate with the people, that is called as telecommunication. Now first one, we can easily contact people far away from us. I have given the example, if my brother is in USA, I can contact him, I can speak with him on mobile because of artificial satellite. So first one, we can easily contact people far away from us. Second, the time and the effort spent in exchanging information can be saved. We can save the time and efforts. Third one, they help to raise awareness about issues such as the environmental balance, gender equality and cleanliness. So mass media is very useful. We can send the message to the public about the environmental balance, gender equality and cleanliness. Fourth one, people can be forewarned about natural disaster like storms, tsunamis, flood, etc. See, if there is the change in the environment or there is natural disaster, then we can aware the people before it. How? People can be forewarned. We can warn them before about natural disasters like storms, tsunamis, floods, etc. If you have listened the stories, then we can if you are listening the news, then you will understand that if there is any storm or tsunami near the sea, then in news they aware the people, those who are living the coastal area, they aware them that it's before the tsunami, that is forewarned. Fifth one, they build awareness about health, educational facilities, good things happening in the society, etc. We can aware the people about their health, educational facilities, good things happening in the society. Sixth one, they help in the successful implementation of government schemes launched for the benefit of people. Government can send the message to the people about the government schemes which is beneficial for the people. Seventh, awareness can be raised about matters related to food, clothes, shelter, education and health. This improves people's way of life. Awareness about the matters related to the basic needs. We can do this through the mass media. Eighth one, mass media help in the expansion of trade and industry. Mass media is very useful in the business. Okay, so these are the advantages of telecommunication and mass media. But now there are some disadvantages also. So we will see the disadvantages of telecommunication devices. First one, excessive use of television, computer, mobile phones causes disorder of eyes, ears, back, psychological disorders, isolation, etc. are also possible. Because of excessive use of televisions, computers and mobile phones, there are some side effects to the human body, which are, some people are suffering from the disorders of eyes, ears, back and psychological disorders and isolation, etc. It is possible because of excessive use of televisions or computer mobile phones. Second, we get all sorts of information through television channels and the internet. There are instances of this information being misused to disturb the peace and order in the society. See, information is easily passed to the people because of mass media, but it might be possible to disturb the peace and the order in the society. Third one, Time spent on watching television leads to the neglect of outdoor sports and physical fitness. This has an adverse effect on physical health. It is the example of students. That means if children are using or watching more television or using mobile or playing on the mobile many games, because of this they don't go out for to play. Outdoor sports and physical fitness is neglected here. Okay, so everywhere limitations must be there. There should be limitations on use of television, computer and mobile phones. What's the solution? When Amod, who is in the 5th standard, comes home after school, he visits several websites on his computer. He never missed his favorite TV shows. He plays game on his mother's mobile phone all the time. He is always sitting at home. Lately, his appetite has decreased. Lately, his appetite has decreased. He is drowsy and has put on weight. Amod's mother is worried about him. When will she feel better? When will she feel better? When the Amod will play out. When Amod will start the playing outdoor games, then she will be happy because he will be fit. He will be healthy. Then she will be happy. She will feel better. Always remember, telecommunication devices should be used properly and sensibly. We must be careful not to use them excessively. You have to remember always, you don't have to play mobile too much. Do you know? Audio-visual communication, we cannot see each other when we talk on the telephone. New communication technology has now made this possible on the mobile phone to see a person we are talking to. Best example is video call. Are you speaking on video call? Yes. So when we speak on video call, we can see the next person. Okay. On WhatsApp, we speak on video call. In that, we can see the next person to whom we are talking. That is the best example of audio-visual communication. What we have learned. Introduction to the means of communication. Second, use of space launch technology for telecommunication. Third, introduction to mass media. Fourth, advantages and disadvantages of the use of mass media. So students, in this way we will stop here. Today's homework is, I will provide you the answers of exercises. You have to copy it in workbook. Complete your workbook of lesson number 15 and copy it in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe, eat healthy, stay healthy and study well.